Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying two essentials. Your Android supports USB audio OTG, and your accessory is compatible. Once confirmed, use a certified USB-C headphone or a quality USB-C to 3.5mm adapter. Cheap adapters often fail. Make sure the port is clean and unobstructed. Remove any case that blocks insertion. Plug the connector firmly until it seats. You do this first to allow the phone to enumerate the device. Otherwise, the system won't recognize the audio path. Once the hardware is attached, check settings. Look under Sound or Connected Devices to see if Android lists a USB audio device. If it does not, enable developer options and set default USB configuration to audio source. This forces recognition on some builds. Make sure apps have microphone and audio permissions, and then test media and call audio separately. If music plays but calls don't, select the USB device inside the calling app. These steps isolate system versus app routing issues. You finish by verifying playback, microphone function, and inline controls. Make sure media and call volumes are set separately. If you use an external DAC or multi-port adapter, update its firmware and confirm any pass-through charging is enabled, because some adapters disable audio unless power is present. If nothing works, reboot the phone, try the headphones on another device, or swap adapters. One key troubleshooting tip: a firm receipt of the connector often fixes recognition problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.